we have the 3D printed spade grip attachment for the Ar15. This is our first test run. There we are, linkage. Get our trigger. We'll be testing this out with 22 long rifle just to make sure everything functions correctly. Let's see if this puppy works. First couple shots. Woo! Not sure what happened there, but we'll put her back in. Mag 2. Let's see if we can get her to go. Alright, we had a strike, but no fire. Good old 22 long rifle. I don't know what the heck that was, but I think it went too fast. And I think it shot, or I think it went off before it even made it all the way into the chamber. That's crazy. That's pretty gnarly. Two mags. Woohoo! Every time it does that, we're getting a primer strike, well, a rim strike. Alright, so this is my version of a much more expensive option you can buy, about $500 online, out of stock. I don't have 500 bucks, but I do have a 3D printer. If you're interested in this, make sure you subscribe. There's definitely some fine tuning that needs to be done. Gotta tighten some things up. The hair loose, wobbles too much. Make sure you subscribe. We'll be trying this out with 5.56 very shortly. No FRT in this at the moment. Once I have it together a little better, then we'll test it out with an FRT. Have a good night. God bless.